Hi, this is Cash, your product manager here at Laxco Microscopes. Today I'm really pleased to share that we have made some really cool additions to our SeBa line of digital microscopes. Here I have the SeBa2, which is our base model, and it combines an upright compound microscope, a camera, and a high-resolution tablet, which also acts as your image capturing and sharing device. Having no eyepieces means better ergonomics, no more straining your neck looking at the samples through the eyepieces all day. This scope is ideal for any teaching environment in any educational setup, or it can also be used for collaborative research work. The scope is shipped pre-aligned and pre-centered, which makes it really easy for any beginner or advanced user to handle. Let's take a closer look at the tablet and some of the cool software features. Let's take a closer look at the software functions of the SeBa2 software on the tablet. You have your image grabbing button here, so click on it to grab the image that you see up on your screen of your sample. You can also record video clips of your sample using the record function. Click on it again, it stops the recording. This is your gallery box, and as you can see, it pulls up all the data that you have stored here. You can double click on the image to bring up your stored images, and you can double click on the video to go and fetch any video that you have recorded. Just hit play and then you can see a playback of your recording. Let's go back to the live mode now. Let's hide this away. This is your settings control panel. You can control the camera using the top half of this panel. It allows you to choose the file format in which you want to save your images, and also the screen and the camera resolution depending on how high res you want your image to be. You can also use this directory button to store data in any location that you wish to on your tablet. In case you need additional storage, you can always use a thumb drive. There is a USB port here, and you simply insert it here, and you can always choose the directory and go to the USB stick and store data there. You can also choose to orient the image that you see on the tablet in a mirror or flipped view, and this bottom half basically allows your tablet to connect through Wi-Fi or through Bluetooth to other devices. This is your auto exposure button. This allows you to control the camera exposure, so basically you can make the image in high contrast, low contrast. You can control the color saturation, and this gives you full control to do that. Pretty easy. And this is my favorite part of this software package. This is the annotation function. So you can see I've already pre-calibrated it according to the objectives I have on my microscope. Let's drop in a square there. So simply clicking on it would drop in a square, and it will give you the area in micrometers. You can also choose to drop in a line to measure any length from point to point. And hitting the save button would burn this on to your images. So that's pretty much it. Pretty basic and very user-friendly software. As you just saw, we have made these upgrades in our specs for a better and seamless user experience. The tablet here now is a 220 dpi high-resolution 10-inch tablet, which comes preloaded with our SeBa2 software, enabling your viewing, capturing, and data storing, and making it very simple and very easy. Data storage has also been made very convenient on this device. The tablet provides you with some storage capacity, and you can always store additional data on a thumb drive or directly drop it onto your cloud. This entire package is also priced very attractively. For more details, log on to www.laxcoinc.com and watch out for more such videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you.